During all my travels along the Silk Road, I've had one big problem. I can't read the menus when I walk into a restaurant. They're all in Chinese. So basically I do this. Or I haven't been able to figure out fish yet, but I'll work on that one. Instead, I've got another solution.
I decided to eat all my meals from the street vendors. And in Kashgar, China, that is easier said than done. I visited during the holy period of Ramadan, when the most faithful followers won't eat nor drink from sunrise to sunset. But at 7 p.m., the first meal is served. Consequently, the mornings in Kashgar are rather peaceful and relaxing, while everyone prepares their fresh produce for the afternoon markets. By the late afternoon, the streets come alive, while the evening meal is being prepared. Just before sunset, the street vendors have their offerings available to the public. But I didn't want an ordinary meal. I wanted the specialty of the region.
It's 7 o'clock here in Kashgar, and dinner time. That means one thing for me, goat head stew.
As I considered sitting down, only one image floated through my mind. A space opened up, so I took this opportunity to eat my first goat head. As I peeled back the scalp, I momentarily remembered Butcher's Market. Then, reality set in. I yanked off the smallest piece of meat on the skull. It may not taste like chicken, but it's not as bad as it looks. It's the eye. I'm going to see how that tastes. All right?
It's all right. Goat head stew. You can't beat it here in Kashgar.